Rudrakshi. Today we are going to have a session on entrepreneurship and its foundation. And our resource person is Dr. Leena Sharma ma'am, Head of Commerce Department, who will throw the light on the importance of entrepreneurship skills in persons and their economic growth, which will contribute on economic growth. Now I would like to invite our respective HOD ma'am to start the session.
Well, thank you so much, Rudrakshi, for calling upon me. And it's quite a good opportunity to tell you all about how nowadays entrepreneurship has taken a big platform in our economy. We all know that wherever we're going to work, that is an organization which is being set up by an entrepreneur. Am I correct?
Yes.
If a person is actually running an organization, that means he has some capability. What capability do they have? The capability to organize people, to organize resources where they could use them for a more productive purpose. We all are human resource sitting over here. I am your resource person for the day. What I am doing?
Teaching.
What I am doing? I am giving you some insight on the skill set which every person must have in their life skill sets. And why it is so? Because to find out a job, to grab a job, it's far more easy if you are into the market after your graduation and post-graduation or many skills program if you got earned them. Then you will be going into the market and grab a job, having a full day of work, 9 to 5 working, a good sleep, good food, good friends, good hangouts and all. But who is going to give you that 9 to 5 jobs to you? That person won't be having no sleep. That person won't be hanging out at restaurants. No, he or she is even skipping their meals to make the deals done. Right?
Yes.
They are actually creating jobs. Where? In the economy. Why they are creating jobs? Why they are so much worried about the economy? Fear of you or fear of the people around who would say, madam, they want to earn some profit around. They will have profits of their own. They will have huge profit and they are in trust to earn more and more money, so they become entrepreneur. Who is not interested to earn more and more money? We are actually earning whatever the amount in our job. We need to find out some ways out, where to invest, where to make some more money, whether it is the share market, whether it is the mutual funds, whether it is the bond market, cryptocurrency market, right? Are we entrepreneurs? What we are doing? The answer of making more money lies what we are doing and what they are doing. More money means making more money. Simple sa funda hai. We are making money for ourselves. More and more money. People have this thought in their mind. We are making more and more money for ourselves. But they are making more and more money for the economy, for the market, and for the other factors. And around those factors, human force is one. And out of those factors, human factor is one. So what do you understand? Where the foundation has come from? Where has the foundation come from? The foundation comes from when the person think about that we must be founded as an entrepreneur. We must have that idea. We must have that skill set. We must have that mindset that we will get the jobs for the people. We will do something where minimum 5 to 10 people can work for us. Okay, it's a minimum figure, 5 to 10 people. But still, if you are able to give the job to 5 to 10 people, that means they can run their family well. You are actually giving them income. You are actually giving them, opportunities to explore, to learn. Because I don't know what would be the amazing set of skills you will find in yourself when you decided, the day you decided to become an entrepreneur. Ideas became like this. And when you decided to become a job holder, then definitely you are playing only low risk profile. You will go to the, I am also going to 9 to 5 job only. I am also going to 9 to 5 job only.
Yes.
What should I do? I should definitely do something out of this period of time. I am wasting my time, no? If I am sleeping unnecessary, if I am hanging out unnecessary, who is going to, benefit you? You all are at this age. The best age of the entrepreneurship starts from 25. अभी आप छोटे हैं. You are much younger than 25. But please try to understand. If today itself you have that idea, that mindset, you could also do something for the country, and it will, do wonders. It will do wonders. Because that way go. Please next slide. The foundation of entrepreneurship. Here I have got a picture. All these things will tell you the networking. Replacement of your video game and phone chatting. Replacement of your video game and phone chatting. People are working over the phone, finding out something, learning some certification courses. The students who come to the final year of the graduation, I often ask them, try to do something, certify yourself. Try to do something, earn some certification. Even in BCom honors, my student I used to teach. I used to tell them, no honors is student honors, my student I used to teach. I used to tell them, no honors is student, definitely the expectations are much higher. What you must think of yourself, right? Whatever percentage you have got, that shows your ability. And what you will do after your this graduation, that shows your capacity. What to do with capacity? This. Replace your mobile chip chatting. Replace your mobile chip chatting from this. Idea sharing. You get the idea? You found something? Idea sharing. Discuss with the team and the senior one. Those who can guide you. Those who can treat you the way you should be treated. Right? When you say something, no, I've got the idea. Even the idea company has a slogan. An idea can change your life. So whenever you get the idea, discuss with the resource person. Discuss with the people who you actually know that person can help you out. Never go down the line. Never go down the line. They will say, बहुत बड़ी. Like, for example, if you ask for a topper, no, कि problem है, तो कहेगा, ये क्या problem है? कोई problem होती है, and you will get demoralized. Likewise, if with the idea, if you go to the downline one, they will say, ठीक है, पर कर लोगे, ठीक है, देख लो, ये लाइन आएगी, ठीक है, but if you go upwards, if you go to the confident people, if you go with the higher authorities, if you go with the experienced one, they would tell you the limitations of your idea are these. You have to work on this. This is not feasible. It is having this limitation. You need to work upon. Okay? Please. Here, the transformation. Where does entrepreneurship come from? From our daily life only? Watch out. From our daily life only? पहले एक और एप्पल ऐसा था, अभी एक और एप्पल ये है. क्या है ये? The idea generation. पहले एप्पल वैसा था, अभी ये है. पहले नॉर्मल बिजनेस मार्केट था, अभी कंपनी है. ठीक है? पहले अमेज़न रिवर हुआ करती थी साउथ अमेरिका में, अभी अमेज़न ये है. अभी मैं आपको अमेज़न बोलूंगी तो आपके सामने एक ही लोगो आएगा आंखों में, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पोर्टल. Gmail actually gives you the storage also. Right? You put your phone on the cloud. Right? You can store them permanently. You can store them permanently. You don't have to, worry about where my pictures are going to be, lost. Right? So, please next. According to your view, who could be entrepreneur? What is an entrepreneur? What is an entrepreneur? Tell me.
Marketing activity to start a business.
It is not an activity basically. When you talk about entrepreneur, you are talking about entrepreneurship. What is an entrepreneur? An individual who starts business. What an entrepreneur needs? Capital and idea, basic idea, then capital. After capital, what is the biggest resource an entrepreneur could have? Human resource. Without human resource, you cannot do anything. Finance would do something with the human resource. Finance would do something with the capital investments. Finance would do something with whole process. You would work technique from the finance itself. You would import it. You would do many things around. Right? Clear? Next one. Next one. Here, who creates a new business for the purpose of achieving profit and growth, identifying opportunities, and in short, if I put in nutshell, risk bearer, organizer, and innovator. Risk bearer, organizer, and innovator. Next, entrepreneurship, a new terminology. The term refers to the entrepreneurial action by individual with an existing organization. Entrepreneurs create new idea, product, service for their employers. Entrepreneurship, suppose I am having a company, I am an entrepreneur. Okay? What is your name? Neha, please come. Suppose Neha is giving me something new idea. She is working in my organization and she is giving me new idea. What does it mean? It means she is entrepreneur. And I am gaining her insights. I am using her skills and capacities. Got it here? Thank you. Next. Characteristics I have told you. We have discussed the characteristics. Should be the risk bearing, idea generation, organizer, calculated risk taker, high level of optimism. Optimism is very much required. If you think positive, definitely the vibes will match around. Next one. Drawbacks. The major drawbacks of being entrepreneur: uncertainty of income, risk of losing entire investment, long hours and hard work, lower quality of life, and laziness, of course. So you have to fight with these basic, skills. हम सबकी है ना drawbacks? Something with whole process. You would work technique from the finance itself. You would import it. You would do many things around. Right? Clear? Next one. Next one. Here, who creates a new business for the purpose of achieving profit and growth, identifying opportunities, and in short, if I put in nutshell, risk bearer, organizer, and innovator. Risk bearer, organizer, and innovator. Entrepreneurship, a new terminology. The term refers to the entrepreneurial action by individual with an existing organization. Entrepreneurs create new idea, product, service for their employers. Entrepreneurship, suppose I am having a company, I am an entrepreneur. Okay? What is your name? Neha, please come. Suppose Neha is giving me something new idea. She is working in my organization and she is giving me new idea. What does it mean? It means she is long hours and hard work, lower quality of life, and laziness, of course. So you have to fight with these basic, skills. हम सबकी है ना drawbacks? We all want to lay down our bed, put on switch of that TV and AC too, right? And then have our mobile on, like this. क्या चल रहा है टीवी में? Don't know. चल रहा है बस screen. And we are scrolling the screen of the mobile. This is our favorite best time. But for the entrepreneur, it is the worst drawback ever. Wasting the time, wasting the mind capacity, wasting, idea generation capacity, wasting your physical and mental health. Next one. Benefits, you all are the commerce student and I guess from the management also. You all understand what would be the benefit of the entrepreneurship. Obviously, economy would going to benefit, people would going to benefit, you would have the product variety, you would have the more economic strongness, and a person is going to have the profits. Empowerment, obviously, impressive profits, contribution to the society, and yes, Harvey Mackay says, find a job doing what you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. Mackay says, find a job you love, then you don't have to work even a single day in your life. Why? Because what you love is never a बोझ, is never a stress on you. ठीक है? Next one. Here, if you want to have that fire, then you have to go through these entrepreneurs, and you will be amazed. These were very low-profile people. Idea can change their life. They have proved it. Next one. Delhi mistakes, giving it short, I'm giving you management mistakes, lack of leadership ability, lack of experience, poor financial control, tend to have overly optimistic, अच्छा ये तो काम हो ही जाएगा, हम तो ये हैं, हम तो वो ऐसा नहीं होता है, we have to work hard. Does not catch the profits, weak marketing efforts, कि अगर मैंने एक बार कुछ launch कर दिया तो customer आएगा ही आएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. Failure to develop a strategic plan. The strategy is related to long line. So if you are not developing a plan, you are failure. Next. So here, what we have learned through all the things. What would an entrepreneur, have, and what they can do. Just think differently, be different. If you are average and normal, it would not matter. मैं below average नहीं हूँ कैंपस, मैं below average नहीं हूँ, ठीक है? But आज भी मैं जो बहुत toppers थे वहीं हूँ आज. Below average या average होना गलत बात नहीं है. अपनी कैपेसिटी को पहचानिए, नहीं पहचान रहे हैं वो गलत बात है. जरूरी